Yeah. FNF Haitian Jew, you dig? Nah, we coming. FNF ENT. Hey man, I know it's a lot of people that done snapped on this beat already, you dig? But ain't nobody coming on this shit like this here, you dig? I mean, you don't know what the fuck that nigga done went through. You don't know what the fuck that bitch done went through.
You ain't know that nigga ride with that fire. You ain't know that nigga slanging that eye. You ain't even know him like that. You ain't know that little nigga shooter in the trap eating oodles and noodles. You know he was thugging like that. Ooh, you don't know lil' mama shaking that ass in the strip club, throwing the bag. Niggas throwing the bag. Ooh, I ain't know the little nigga gon' talk. I'm in the kitchen with a pot and a fork. I fucked your main bitch on the first day. Matter of fact, it was your birthday. Matter of fact, shit don't get murked. Hey, shit might get murked on your birthday. My nigga keep it quiet, you know. He keep it on the side, you know. The shit be serving down for the school. The shit be serving down for the school. They need to free my dogs up the road. Keep the rapists and the nigga that told. Why they had to thug 'em like that? Why they had to shoot nip in their head? It's funny how the nigga ain't even want bread. Why they did him like that? Boy, I'm tired of these niggas showing fake love. These niggas greet you with a dap and a hug. Man, why you flagging like that? You ain't no little Haitian